If you hit T and transmit, by the way, it gives you this drawer select. There's several ways that you can do this table of contents and move through your data. But what I wanted to demonstrate very quickly is in, let's see, B, I believe, no, yeah, here. So here we have nearly 1 million lines of data, and this is where I might give you a quick test to show you how fast this can operate. We can go ahead and take a look at this data, and we can also, I'm transmitting or hitting the F1 function key down here at the bottom, and I'm walking right through this data. It says that there's a total of 26 RIDs out here, and each time I display this, it shows me how long it is. So what I could do is I could search this entire drawer. I just type in S and transmit, and I want to find a representative by the name of JIL. Maybe those are her initials. And so what I did is I just searched 13G itself, and I found every occurrence, 21,000 out of 35,000. But I could actually search through the whole drawer as well, which would be almost 1 million lines, I believe it'll tell us. Let us search range 1 through 26 for report range of JIL. There we go. Yeah, it went through 944,000 lines and found every occurrence of Jill. We can get E to pop down to the end. We can also scroll through it by holding down the key, the enter key. It goes very quickly all the way to the end of this data. Or we can go to the beginning. We had 57,000 lines. Bring me to the middle of it, because then I want to start strolling through 20 lines at a time looking for something. However, when I choose the locate, I can go and find every instance of pain. Let's say I want to modify the price I'm paying. There's a multiple array of ways that I can accomplish that, but this is just showing you some of the report manipulation. I could start looking from the top because I was in the middle. There's the first occurrence from the top on line 27. And when I'm done with this report, I can copy it with the XR function, or I can duplicate it here. Duplicate report right here. And title of the report, yeah, we'll just let it be the first line that it found, and now we've saved. There's a limitation on how big the reports can be in this drawer. I cannot create a 944,000 line report. Now I could set it up to do that, but Mapper is best when you, like we had 26 reports in the case of a database spread out more shallow. We would have all the Andersons in RID 1 for the A's and Zimmerman's in 26 for the Z's. So this is saying no, we're not going to let you save that huge file. I want to keep these videos short.